Hey everyone, Mark here from thewindowcleaningstore.com. Just a quick video update letting you know that the Light Rail Squeegee channels are back. Yes, they are back. Now, the Light Rail, in case you haven't heard of these are what's known as a wide body squeegee channel. So normally you're probably used to seeing brass squeegees. This is what a normal squeegee would be like. This is on this side here. We got the Light Rail. You can see it's a lot thicker. It's more heavy duty. These channels, there's other different types out there. There's the Unger Ninja you probably heard of. There's the Ettore Super Channel. And of course, Sorbo channels. Everyone's familiar with Sorbo channels. Again, just another wide body. Now the Light Rail channel is designed to be super light and have the option of being able to use just standard rubber, which is a huge plus. Now these haven't been available for about a year, one to 2 years approximately. They are a little bit different looking if you are familiar with the Light Rail brand. Normally there's a green strip that goes through here. Now there has been some changes in order to make these channels be able to come back and be a lot more affordable and less time consuming to manufacture. So that's why they've eliminated the green strip in there. Still uses standard rubber, but one of the other major changes is that the clip system to hold the rubber in place is a lot different. Before there wasn't a dedicated type of clip system or a pin system, so you could either use the green Unger plastic clips in there or the Sorbo metal clips. But now they have a dedicated pin system. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Now, it is the Light Rail channel, so we always talk about this being one of the lightest wide body channels. I'm going to just show you a quick demonstration on the weights of all these different wide body channels to show how much lighter the Light Rail is. Check it out. Okay, starting from the heaviest, we have the Ettore Super Channel 18-inch, weighing in at 165 grams. The next heaviest would be the Unger Ninja 18-inch, 150 grams. Next one in line would be the Sorbo Quicksilver 18-inch. It's 140 grams. And then we bring in the Light Rail 18-inch, which is 125 grams. So heaviest 165 grams, lightest the Light Rail channel 125 grams. And like I said, it uses a new pin system. We're going to show you how that pin system works. Check it out. So let's take a look at the inside profile of this squeegee channel. You'll see that you got this lower round section here, another round section, and then a small round section up here. So the bulb part of standard rubber, normally you'd have it in this lower position, so you'd have it inserted there. If you have it in this upper position, this is when you want to have more rubber hanging out of the top of the squeegee. If you have a very wide window and it has very wavy glass, you might want to have more rubber hanging out. That way there's more flexibility. The rubber can hug the shape of the glass a little bit better. Otherwise, you'd have it down in this lower section. Now, these little upper sections here, that's where these new roll pins come in. They get inserted into there to hold and secure the rubber into place. And we'll show you what that looks like. Now the handle that you would use with the Light Rail channel, you can use the Unger Ninja. That's our top choice. If you're unfamiliar with the Unger Ninja handle, it's spring-loaded, it's quick release, just snaps into place, away you go, ready for action. As well, you can also use the Ettore Super Channel swivel handle, or the Sorbo handles will work on them as well. So really good options there. Now we are selling these in 5 different sizes. We've gone with the sizes that are popular from the last time that these were available, and we've eliminated a couple sizes, but we've also introduced the shortest version of the Light Rail now, which is 8-inch. So we've got 8-inch, 14-inch, 18-inch, 22-inch, and 30-inch. 30 inches is really great for when you want to get those big commercial jobs done and you don't want to have to be making too many passes. So one last thing I want to mention is that we are selling the channels individually on their own. We're also going to be selling it as two different kind of combo packs. We're going to have like a residential combo pack. So you'll get a Ninja handle, you'll get an 8-inch, a 14-inch, and an 18-inch light rail channel, as well as the complete kit, which will be the Unger Ninja handle plus all the sizes, so 8 all the way up to 30 inches. And not only that, when you buy any of the combo kits, you will also get free this little light rail keychain. I just want to show you my original light rail keychain. This is what the light rail channel used to look like. It used to have this green strip. This thing, I've been rocking this keychain now for several years. You can see, of course, the rubber is very rounded. There's no way I'm going to do any kind of squeegeeing with this, but definitely it's kind of a little cool thing to have. And you don't even notice these in your pocket. They're very strong, holds a bunch of keys. It's great. So you'll get one with each combo kit. As well, if you like, you can also buy these separately as well. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're glad to see that the light rail channels are back. Thanks for watching.